Welcome to Load Balancing Algorithms. In this video, we'll explore how to distribute requests across multiple servers efficiently. We'll cover three powerful techniques: round-robin, least connections, and weighted distribution. These algorithms are fundamental to building scalable systems that can handle high traffic without bottlenecks. Load balancing is the process of distributing incoming client requests across multiple backend servers. The core purpose is to optimize resource utilization and improve overall system performance. The key goals are to maximize throughput, minimize latency, prevent bottlenecks, and ensure high availability. A load balancer intercepts requests and forwards them to the most optimal servers based on the chosen algorithm. There are three core load balancing algorithms we'll focus on. First is round-robin, which distributes requests sequentially to each server in order. Second is least connections, which routes each request to the server with the fewest active connections. Third is weighted distribution, which assigns requests based on predefined server capacity weights. Each algorithm has unique advantages depending on your infrastructure. Here's how load balancing architecture works in practice. Client requests arrive at the load balancer, which is the central component. The load balancer then routes these requests to one of multiple backend servers based on the chosen algorithm. Each server processes the request and returns a response. This distributed approach ensures no single server becomes a bottleneck. Round-robin is the simplest load balancing algorithm. It sends requests sequentially to each server in a fixed order. When it reaches the last server, it cycles back to the first one. Over time, each server gets an equal number of requests. Round-robin works best when all servers have similar capacity and processing power, and when requests have similar execution times. Let's look at a round-robin example. Request 1 goes to server 1, request 2 goes to server 2, request 3 goes to server 3, request 4 goes back to server 1, request 5 goes to server 2. The pattern repeats cyclically. This ensures balanced distribution when servers are equally capable. Least connections is a dynamic algorithm that tracks active connections in real time. It routes new requests to the server with the lowest number of active connections. This automatically balances load based on actual server utilization. Least connections is ideal for requests with varying processing times, long-lived connections like WebSockets, and environments with servers of different capacities. In this example, server 1 has 5 active connections, server 2 has 2, and server 3 has 8. When request A arrives, the load balancer sends it to server 2 because it has the lowest count at 2 connections. When request B arrives next, server 2 now has 3 connections, so it ties with server 1 at 2. The request goes to server 1. This adaptive approach handles variable load effectively. Weighted distribution assigns a weight value to each server based on its capacity. Servers with higher weights receive proportionally more requests. Weights can reflect differences in CPU power, memory, or custom performance metrics. This algorithm is perfect for mixed server environments where hardware differs, when you need precise control over traffic distribution ratios, and for maximizing utilization across heterogeneous infrastructure. Consider 3 servers with different weights. Server 1 has weight 2, server 2 has weight 1, and server 3 has weight 2. This creates a distribution ratio. In every 5 request cycle, server 1 receives 2 requests, server 2 receives 1 request, and server 3 receives 2 requests. This proportional distribution optimizes resource usage based on server capacity. Let's compare all 3 algorithms. Round-robin uses sequential order and works best for equal capacity servers with constant complexity of O of 1. Least connections tracks active connections and suits variable load requests with O of n complexity. Weighted distribution uses assigned weights and handles heterogeneous servers with O of 1 complexity. Choose the algorithm based on your infrastructure characteristics and traffic patterns.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.